Tonno Pro tonneau covers are the consumer's choice when it comes to unmatched quality and affordability. Today we will show you how to install our popular Tonno Pro Low-Roll Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover. The Tonno Pro Low-Roll Truck Bed Cover is easy to install and requires no drilling. The only tools you will need for this basic installation are a 17mm socket and ratchet along with a short screwdriver. The average installation time is about 25 to 30 minutes. Before you begin, locate the general installation instructions. Next, locate the two aluminum side rails, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. Locate the 6 aluminum C-clamps, our Sure Seal tailgate gasket, and finally, your low-roll Roll-up.Tonno cover. Installation. First, locate the patented tension control plates fixed to the bulkhead of your new cover. Remove these and set them aside toward the front of the truck bed for later use. The design and manufacturing process of the Low-Roll's aluminum rails guarantees that they won't slip out of place if you have plastic bed caps on your truck. Next, install the aluminum side rails to the inside of the truck bed. Once in position, use one utility clamp to temporarily mount the rail while you check for proper fitment. Close the tailgate of the truck, then center the side rail between the front and the back of the truck, making sure that the ends of the rails just touch the tailgate. Now it's time to install the factory-provided aluminum C-clamps and attach the side rail to the inside of the factory bed rail lip. Make sure to locate the C-clamp in a level spot so that the rail remains level to accept the cover. The next step will be to identify the mounting and tension control pre-punched holes. The elongated slotted hole is for mounting, and the 3 1/8-inch holes are for your cover's tension control settings. The factory presets all covers using the most rear slot. Simply drop the tension control plate in place, and now you are ready to mount the cover. For this particular installation, Tonno Pro provides a special bulkhead filler gasket to fill the void created by the factory plastic bed caps and prevent unwanted moisture from entering into the bed of your truck. Please note, not all vehicles require this step. Now that the tension control plates are in place, it's time to install your tonneau cover. Simply position the sliding T-bolts toward the end of the bulkhead channel and drop the bolt through the hole in the tension control plate and through the slotted hole in the side rail. Finish fastening the washer and nylon lock nut and center the cover between the rails and tighten. To unroll the cover, simply release the safety J-hooks and begin to unroll your cover. The low roll has vertical tube supports that will fall into the side rail tracks as the cover is closed. These supports will provide ample support for heavy snowdrift and debris. Once your cover is completely unrolled, lift up the aluminum tailgate channel and place into the locking mechanism located in the rear of the side rail. Pull down on the rear of the cover and the latch will fall into place. Lastly, smooth the side Velcro. To release the cover, simply pull down on the rear of the cover and push the lever towards the front of the vehicle. There may come a time to increase the tension on the cover to keep it smooth and functional. While the cover is still in the open position, simply loosen the nylon lock nut. Lift the bulkhead up from the side rail and move the tension control plate up one adjustment hole on both sides of the truck. This single 3/16 adjustment will provide enough adjustment to take out any slack you might have in your cover. This is recommended only during the warmest part of the day when the vinyl on the cover is soft and flexible. A key feature and differentiator of a Tonno Pro cover is the weather sill flap that is sewn into the front of the cover. This helps prevent unwanted moisture from driving rain or automated car washes from getting into the bed of your truck. Next is the sewing of the vinyl. Tonno Pro has increased the number of stitches from 3 stitches per inch to 4 stitches per inch. This helps ensure the quality and durability of your cover and prevents unraveling. The thread contains a special coating that, once sewn, seals against moisture. From the tear-resistant double-sided vinyl to the 6063 grade powder-coated aluminum components of the frame, this cover offers the industry's best warranty. Now that your low-roll cover is installed, let's go over a few of the functions and features of your new cover. The Tonno Pro Low-Roll Roll-Up cover has one of the most stylish low profiles on the market. You can use this cover for a variety of purposes. The design of the cover provides full access to the bed of the truck. For full bed loads, roll up the cover completely and load as much as your truck bed will accommodate. For smaller loads, simply drop the tailgate and load anything from camping gear to sports equipment. For security purposes, lock your tailgate to prevent unwanted access to the bed of your truck. Because the low-roll truck bed cover is mounted inside the bed rails, you retain access to your stake-hold pockets and can mount any of your other favorite accessories like ladder racks, side rails, tie-downs, bike racks, whatever you need to truly enjoy your truck. The Tonno Pro Lo-Roll Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover is lightweight and durable. Its sleek design will provide you years of protection and performance. The Tonno Pro Low-Roll Cover offers a limited lifetime warranty. You will find the limited lifetime warranty for your new cover inside the installation instructions. When installation is complete, be sure to register your cover at www.tonnopro.com to activate the warranty. The serial number for your cover is located on the underside of the cover. Along with its sleek, stylish good looks, outstanding warranty, and durable functionality, the Low Roll offers another long-lasting feature. The aerodynamics of the cover may provide gas savings of up to 10% to 13%. Over time, your Tonno Pro tonneau cover may pay for itself. And right now, Tonno Pro is offering 4 free gifts with every purchase. Order now and you'll receive the following: Pro Clean, manufactured exclusively to clean, condition, and protect vinyl. Its UV inhibitors will keep your tonneau cover looking like new. A pair of Pro Gloves, perfect for your glove box. They'll protect your hands from automotive grime. You'll also receive the Tonno Torch, a super bright LED light that comes with a Velcro fastener so it can be attached anywhere you need light in your truck bed or elsewhere. Lastly, you'll receive Shore Seal, Tonno Pro's special tailgate seal that provides a barrier against dust and moisture. When it comes to quality, ease of installation, and price, it's no wonder Tonno Pro tonneau covers are the consumer's choice. Get covered with Tonno Pro.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.